Neuroscience has now entered the digital age, and this opens completely new perspectives and possibilities to address human brain complexity. Massive advances in brain science are powered by new large-scale data science tools, for example, machine learning or deep learning, and you can become easily part of it.
The meeting is all about data sharing, health data sharing, which we know is a big challenge. Even though more and more stakeholders are looking forward, leveraging sharing of health data, it faces a number of barriers, cultural barriers, data privacy and data safety issues, and ethics.
The promotion of data sharing and the implementation of especially the standardized harmonization rules among all the global research community reduces the burden of unexploited research and also plays a critical role in the mitigation of problems of reduced sample sizes. So this is a big gain and advantage in the future, in the near future. And I think that makes a lot of sense. And this will be specifically covered also in the workshop.
The Human Brain Project has developed EAN-EBRAINS as a research infrastructure for highly collaborative and data-driven science.
We have developed a specific platform called the Medical Informatic Platform, the MIP, which is now located on EAN-EBRAINS, but also at every site, in particular hospital, who want to participate to this type of data sharing activity.
Health data need to be better shared across hospitals in Europe. We have seen this during the COVID crisis. But it's true, of course, also for other neurological diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. So the Medical Informatics Platform allows to analyze pooled, anonymous and pre-analyzed data from many hospitals in many countries.
We hope that this workshop will attract, on the one hand, clinical neuroscientists, neurologists, researchers involved in the field of clinical neuroscience, but we also wish to attract data scientists, engineers, IT specialists, people with a high expertise in AI to enable that dialogue between clinical neuroscience on one hand and the world of IT on the other. And that's what we want to further encourage through a very strong and sustained partnership between the European Academy of Neurology and EAN-EBRAINS.
And I think this work toward a shared goal should serve as a reminder that basic and clinical neuroscience can proceed further and is definitely influencing breakthroughs exclusively and most importantly through collaboration.